Lemon pepper Parmesan cauliflower wings.
So live your life. You steady chasing that big bar, just live your life.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make lemon pepper Parmesan cauliflower wings. But before we get into this video, I'm going to need you to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos.
First, you want to start off by breaking your cauliflower into florets. Next, in a large bowl, you want to combine all these ingredients together. You want to stir this until the batter becomes creamy. And while you're making your batter, go ahead and preheat your oven on 450. Alright guys, I had to add a little bit more coconut milk in here so it could be nice and creamy, just how I like it. Oh, look at that consistency, y'all. Now, using a baking pan, you're going to line it with parchment paper. You're going to coat each cauliflower, place it on the parchment paper. We're going to bake this for 20 minutes. And while we're waiting on our cauliflower, we're going to go ahead and make our lemon pepper Parmesan sauce. We're going to start off by melting some butter, the butter of your choice. In this video, I use vegan butter. Now we're going to add in some lemon pepper. We're going to add in some Parmesan, the Parmesan of your choice. This is vegan parm. And we're going to give this a nice little stir. Alright, now that the cauliflower is ready, now we're going to take the sauce that we just made. We're going to baste it over the cauliflower, making sure that you're fully coating the cauliflower, like drenching the cauliflower, because you want that nice flavorful lemon peppery taste on there. And ooh, don't that look delicious, y'all? Look at that. Enjoy.
Look, guys, lemon pepper Parmesan cauliflower wings.
Bitch, you doing a good job. Bitch, you doing a good job. Bitch, you doing a good job. Bitch.